Welcome to my world. At the Dollar Tree, and we're going to go check out the cleaning supplies in the back of the store for some new cleaning products. I need to restock on some things that I am out of. The back of the store has all of the cleaning products from dish soap to floor cleaner and everything in between. Tons of name brands, fuller sizes. And they have the Ajax and the Comet, and I always go for the one that is 50% more. Pick up another bottle of this. I use it in all my cleaning videos. It is 32 ounces. It works really well. It's a multi-purpose cleaner for your home. Pine Sol. There's all kinds of cleaning hacks with Pine Sol. It makes over 5 gallons, that little bottle. I'm also looking for the oven cleaner because I'm getting low on that. They also have bottles where you can keep your nozzle and just refill it. This stuff also works really well. Is the oven cleaner. It is scrub free oven cleaner. It looks like a brand new cleaner. Let's give this one a try. It is still a yellow bottle. New larger size laundry baskets, bowl cleaners, dustpans, cleaning cloths, plungers, broom attachments and poles. Sponges. I never buy sponges anywhere but the Dollar Tree because they're so expensive at Walmart and your supermarkets. They have the squeegee here. I am looking for the floor wipes for their Swiffer from Dollar Tree. They're in a different spot in every store. They also have magic erasers here. Mr. Clean brand and their brand. The brand works just as good as... I generally don't buy any of these at the Dollar Tree unless I'm not going to Walmart. Walmart's has them for 97 cents. The Wizards and the Glades and the aerosol cans. But if I don't go to Walmart that particular day, I will pick it up here just so I have it. They have a huge variety. My new favorite is the Berry Blast. Hi world, I'm Suzanne Ridgway. This is Let Us Eat. I hope you enjoyed those store clips with all the cleaning supplies. I'm going to show you each one that I picked up. And we grabbed a bunch of food items and some summer seasonal items for my kids when we go swimming. I'm going to dive right regular on my channel. We do a variety of videos. We do cleaning, cooking, decluttering and organizing, and crafting. And we like to use Dollar Tree products. I noticed this past cleaning video that I did, I was running low on some of my cleaning products, and I like to keep at least 1 to 2 of that product in stock within my home. I picked up the oven cleaner. This is scrub free. You just spray it, let it sit, let it dissolve, and then wipe. I used their old style, which had scrubbing, and it does a great job. This is a different brand that I've never seen there before, and still a yellow can. And I picked up my favorite, the Comet. This is the one that's 50% more. Always look for this. It's either going to say 50% more, and the Ajax is 33% more. Walmart's, I believe, is a few cents cheaper than Dollar Tree, but they don't have the little labels with the 50% more on it. Then I grabbed Pine Sol, and it makes over 5 gallons, this tiny little bottle. There's a lot of great hacks for this, and one of them I'm anxious to try is putting about a teaspoon in my brush holder for the toilet bowl cleaner. And just let it sit in there in between cleans, and it's going to make your bathroom smell nice and fresh. And I heard you can put a little bit in your tank, like about a tablespoon, just like the Fabuloso, but this is going to smell better. I have allergies to certain smelly perfumes, and really strong ones make me sick, and I cannot use the Fabuloso. Then I picked up my favorite orange bottle, the LA Totally Awesome with Orange. I use this everywhere in my home. It is not just for floors, not just for surfaces, it is multi-purpose. They also have refill bottles where you can keep your nozzle, and you can reattach the nozzle to the refill bottle. Sometimes the nozzles are busted, so I like to try to get the ones with the bottle nozzle. And it's 32 full ounces for $1.25. It is a killer product. It's been around for a long time, and it works really well. I also have the Bang, which is also multi-purpose by LA Totally Awesome. Works very well. For some of the summer toys, this was new. I've never seen it before. It's for parties, ideal for bubbles. And you're going to pour the bubble solution on here, and then it's a disc, and it flies, and the bubbles fly off of it. We'll be testing this product out at the playground. And I have a kid graduating from high school this year, top of their class. They have beautiful cards that are much cheaper than Hallmark, so check them out. Even if you're at discount stores like BJ's and Costco's, or even Walmart, go to the Dollar Tree. They have a great selection. I haven't seen these before. I don't know if they're new or not. My brother and I played games like this in the pool when we were little. And I grabbed this for our vacation to the Berkshires. We do a lot of swimming, and I know the kids will enjoy that. And this is new. My 12-year-old will enjoy it. He still likes to dig in the dirt. It is a dinosaur puzzle, and you put it into the sand, and it makes a dinosaur. And I love orange. Orange is one of my favorite colors. Now I have a bag of food here. I never go to the Dollar Tree without checking out the food section. I grabbed another thing of Goya pinto beans because I recently posted a video on how to make refried beans with the pinto beans, and I did it with the Dollar Tree products. So it's a win-win. And they were absolutely delicious, and they made a lot of beans, and I got to use them in other dishes, and it was versatile. Then I picked up a snack pack of butterscotch. My husband loves butterscotch. And I believe the ones in the fridge are gone. Maybe there's one or two left. Then I picked up an extra can of the Prego. I want to do the enoshi and chicken. And I want to do it very easy instead of making the white sauce with it. I have a feeling I'll be able to use the Alfredo with it, with the enoshi and the chicken, and make the Olive Garden copycat with only a few ingredients from Dollar Tree. We'll see. It'll be a new video for you to look out for. Make sure you subscribe. We have a Dollar Tree haul players list. Please check it out. The wraps. This is good until the middle of July. Always check the freshness date on the package. Feel how soft they are. And always grab from the bottom of the pile because they put the newest to the bottom. And that's what you should do at home when you rotate your stock. Pull the older ones forward and put the newer ones to the back. And then I did a refried rice, a veggie one, with the long grain white rice. The packets, it is awesome. It only takes 90 seconds. Comes out perfect every time. 8 ounces. It made a lot of veggie fried rice. This is the jasmine one. I'm not sure of the difference between the jasmine and the long grain white rice. If you know a difference, comment down below and let me know. We also have a Dollar Tree dinners players list with 5 ingredients or 3 ingredients dinners. Easy to do. Just pick up the items at the Dollar Tree. If you're the type of person that's looking for your best value, do your shopping through the flyers and know the quantities of the product before you purchase them anywhere. The Dollar Tree dinners are for people who don't have supermarkets near them and they have a Dollar Tree nearby with a decent food section, and this way they know they can make great meals with the Dollar Tree food items that are easy to do, few ingredients. I like to try to duplicate fancier meals with the Dollar Tree items. We have a huge list of them. If you like the cleaning, we have a cleaning players list. We also have a meal planning players list, grocery haul. There's at least 9 different players lists. We have a craft with me using Dollar Tree crafts and recycles. I'm all about frugal, cheap, and free. I like to keep things budget friendly in my home and even keeled. That is it for this Dollar Tree haul. I hope you enjoyed what I got. I will show you all the items, replace some of my cleaners, some great new summer items, and some great food items. When we get to 1,400, we're going to issue out 2 $10 Dollar Tree gift cards. If you're new, comment, say hi anywhere you want in any of the videos. Let me know that you're new. You have to be subscribed and a U.S. resident. We just mailed out 2 gift cards for winners. Also, we are looking for 9 more people to give out 1 5 items price pack from the Dollar Tree. Buy it at $6.25. I'll post a picture of what items are available so you can see what they are. Just when you're scrolling through YouTube, look for the picture with Let Us Eat. Give it a like. If you're new, give it a subscribe. If you comment all the time, you already know the rules. If you won the past 6 days, you're not qualified. If you don't answer me within 2 days, you will be disqualified and we'll choose another name. Just make sure you're a U.S. resident and subscribed. It's that easy. It is a win-win. Look at all the items.